Welcome to this 5-minute guided calming anger meditation. Now slowly enter your favorite meditation posture, be that sat down or laying down. Once you have comfortably settled in, close your eyes and let's begin. Take one deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Repeat after me. My intention for the next 5 minutes is to release my anger. I am worthy of peace. Breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the nose. Continue with a gentle breath in through the nose and out through the nose. When you are ready, continue to repeat after me. Inhaling, I calm my anger. Exhaling, I find my peace. Inhaling, I calm my anger. Exhaling, I find my peace. Inhaling, I calm my anger. Exhaling, I find my peace. Inhaling, I calm my anger. Exhaling, I find my peace. Notice how calm and relaxed you are. Observe the regulation of your breath, how calm your breathing is. We are now ready to return to our day. I will count to 5, reaching full alertness at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaste.